There is something about the Gentle Magic that I don't understand. What kind of formulation did they use? Hello Barazwa, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are welcome as well. So I am coming to you with a hat and it's called being lazy to comb my hair. Y'all, it's super hard and I'm really lazy to do my hair because load shedding can happen any minute from now. So I decided to actually quickly film this video. So today we'll be talking about the almighty powerful Gentle Magic. I think everyone knows what Gentle Magic is, and if you're not familiar with what Gentle Magic is, what have you been doing in this life? If you know that Gentle Magic toner, I don't know what it's called, the liquid one, has numbers underneath, which is your 6, your 4, your 21, your 26, your I don't know what numbers, you know pretty much well, and you are a Gentle Magic guru. I didn't want to make this video, guys, because I know this product has been here for some time and a lot of people that really love it, and I was like, I'm not about to be grilled and I'm not about to be bashed online because I'm not strong for that. And I was like, you know what, let me just, tell people everything about my skincare. Since I'm open about my skincare, I was like, you know what, let me just tell them the products that I really love and the products that I really hate, and Gentle Magic is just #1 hated product in this body. It really has worked for many people. It has worked for many people. It's been doing wonders on people's skins, except for mine. So today I'll be telling you guys why I do not like it. Please, if you are a Gentle Magic stan, and you swear by the product, there is nothing wrong with you and there's nothing wrong with the product, I guess. We just need to acknowledge that skincare is not one size fits all, so maybe that's why it's been doing what I'm gonna tell you today on my face. And if you are probably wondering why I'm not even including Gentle Magic on my skincare, it's because I do not like it and it doesn't like me either. So I actually have a friend who swears by Gentle Magic. Like, guys, like every time she breaks out, she actually just uses Gentle Magic, more especially the liquidy one. I don't know if it's the toner or what. I think that is the starter. Like, people usually start with that one, and when she applies that baby on her face looks flawless, she looks brightened and stuff. So the first time I started using this product, actually, like, I could feel a very, like, it would burn me in a way. Like, I would feel a burning sensation. I don't know where I got the mentality, or where people get the mentality that when something is really burning you, it's actually working. So I was like, oh my god, this product is working, right? Now I kept on applying the product, and day 2 I could feel it. I'm like, oh my god. So I'm like, okay, it's probably working. If it works for her, it better work for me, you see. So I kept on using it, and somehow that baby actually looked like it was working. So first 2 days, although I was burning, I could actually like see a little bit of difference. Okay, cool. I'm like, okay, that is really nice of it. Let me just bear the pain, and kept on using it, right? So I kept on using the product, and that time, y'all, like every time I apply, the pain, oh my god. I thought, you know what, this thing is called Gentle Magic. It has to be gentle and it should be working wonders. But why is my face burning? Okay, so I had that mentality that if something burns me and something reacts to my skin, it actually works. I know, guys, like, I know. Fine, day 2 it looked like it's working. Day 3 it's kind of working. Day 4, guys, I wake up to a red patch. Like, this side was super red. My face was super irritated. I'm like, oh my goodness, what the hell is going on with my skin? So my pimples are starting to be super red. It's itchy, it's painful, it's burning. I'm like, there is something about the Gentle Magic that I don't understand. What kind of formulation did they use? Like, when you go outside, I would feel like I'm just in hell. So for instance, I remember this time I was at home, guys, and at home we use fire to cook, right? So So you can imagine that kind of pain when you're going outside literally and you're going to cook with a burnt face from Gentle Magic. And then I'm like, okay, people are actually buying a set. It's probably because I'm using this toner alone. And again, I was advised to choose a certain number because these things have numbers. Like if you do not know that these things have numbers underneath, I don't know, you're not really invested into Gentle Magic. These things have numbers. They've got number 6, number 4, number 21, number 24. So I think I was using 21 or 4, I don't remember, but you guys, I was using a certain number. If not 21, it was 4. It was not number 1. And again, I don't know whether it is true or not that, you know, the numbers actually mean something, or they mean like a bit of intensity of the product or how the product is going to work. So I was just, you know what, maybe the numbers really work. So if you check under the bottle of Gentle Magic, you would see that it has a little bit of number. Where is it? This one, for instance, is number 8. I actually borrowed this product, guys, from someone so that I can actually demonstrate this to you, because I definitely do not use this product at all. And I really appreciate this product for its, you know, wonders and magic that it's doing to other people's faces. I just feel like it just doesn't like me at all. Fine, okay, back to the story. I go to the sun to cook, and whew, when I think about Gentle Magic, I just think of that horror movie with dolls, because I had a horrifying experience with it. I kid you not, you guys, like, I am just scared right now. I really want to hide myself. You guys, you don't understand the pains. First of all, you're suffering from pimples. Second of all, you're burnt. Third of all, you're irritated as hell, and you have to go outside and cook with a burnt face. That is the worst feeling ever. Like, so I was like, okay, because maybe it's because I do not have the entire set. So I went on and bought the serum, and I bought the soap. So I had a full set, y'all. You know, I would buy, and then I went on and bought the set. I thought, you know, it will work, because I really like to give a product some try, like a little bit of time, and, you know, to make sure that it works. Little did I know that I am going to further irritate my skin. I don't know what came to my mind and what made me think that the same ingredients in the product, in the toner, is probably similar to the products in their range, or whatever, the serums and everything. So the main reason that I really hate about this product is that first of all, it gives you an impression that it's actually working on you. It gave me an impression of that it's working on my skin. Then it further went on irritating my skin, turning it red, burning my skin, and then made everything worse. But anyway, so I went on and searched about people who are actually experiencing the same thing to see if I'm actually normal, and I really did get a lot of people who are experiencing the same thing. I was like, okay, I accept that this product actually works for other people, and it just doesn't work for me and other people that I saw. And that's when I realized that, you know what, skincare is not one size fits all. If the product works for you, it works for you. It might not work for me, and what works for me might not work for you. So it's more like trial and error in the skincare journey. So if you are struggling and you haven't tried Gentle Magic, I don't want to recommend it from my mouth because of the pain that I felt. But you know, if you are really interested, you can just go and try it and see for yourself. But I would never recommend it. Never, guys. Like, I just don't understand why it would leave such and irritate my skin like that. And again, if you are going to go ahead and use the product, please do use a lot of sunscreen, because it's really intense. Like, I feel like it's too powerful. You really need to use a lot of sunscreen, so when you go out, you make sure that you're protected from the sun. And actually, I think that is it from me. I was not really trying to bash the product, guys. I'm just telling you, like, every experience that I had with Gentle Magic. And I think Gentle Magic by far, because I've used almost everything on the skincare line from the drugstore, Discam, Clicks, and gentle magic remains the worst of them all. So yeah, I think I just wanted to share that, you guys, and also, you know, just to tell you that and also just to remind you that skincare is not one size fits all, so that you don't be like me, you know, trying to force a product on your skin because it works for someone else and, you know, further irritate your skin. I mean, if I was that intelligent back then, I would have immediately stopped the product within day one and never go back to it. So if you feel like you're applying a product, even the product that I'm recommending, and they are really irritating you, please guys, just abort the mission, okay? Just abort the mission and go and try another product. So that is actually that. My main point is just that I just came here to just talk about that. Life is good, right? It's good to be me. And thank you so much, you guys. Oh my god, the lighting is bad. So actually that is it from this video, guys. If you are liking my content, please do click on the subscribe button. Also click on the like button, click on the subscribe, on the notification, click on the notification click on the notification button so you can become the notification gang family and also get quick view of my face and everything that I do. So anyways, that is it from this video, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and for watching and for liking and for leaving a comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.